Good morning, children. This is class 4 English literature. Today we are going to take chapter number 2. The title of this chapter is Little Tiger Cat. It is a poem which is written by Annette Winnie. I want to say that the writer, I must say, is a lady. So we will say she is a poetess. Okay? Poet नहीं है, poetess we will say, lady, because she is a lady, Annette Winnie. Okay, so in this poem, the poetess, this poem is based on the cat. Children, you know that there are some similarities between a cat and a tiger. We can say a cat is small and tiger is big in size. Okay, the cubs of the tiger look like a grown-up cat in size and color, etc. Okay, and tiger and cat belong to the same type of family. There are some. I think this is very necessary to know all these features to understand about this poem. Okay, that is why I am telling you something about the relation of the cat and the tiger. They have similarities, they look alike. Okay, and there are similarities in their shape, walk, food, and way to catch their prey. Prey means prey. Prey means shikar. For example, a cat sits quietly and jumps suddenly on a rat. To catch the rat, she jumps suddenly. In the same way, tiger also catches its prey. वो अपना शिकार भी उसी तरह से पकड़ता है, चुपचाप से बैठ जाता है घात लगा के और एकदम से उछल के अपने शिकार को पकड़ लेता है. So now I have told you about the similarities between the tiger and the cat, and now I will read the first 5 lines. First 5 lines of the poem. Little tiger cat with spotted face, do you think you have found a baby jungle place? Going through the grass stealthily and slow, you are waiting to jump out and scare the fox, you know, and send them running to the house as fast as they can go. First of all, we will see the explanation and meaning of these 5 lines. So I am going to give you the explanation of these 5 lines. Here poetess is calling cat tiger a tiger cat because of the similarities. And the poetess is saying the little tiger cat has a spotted face as it is given in the first line. She says, do you think this place is a jungle? Or you are walking quietly. So you are walking quietly and slowly in the grass. Here it is here in the second line, third line. You are waiting to jump in front of the people who go by your side on the road. Do you want to frighten them? क्या तुम उन्हें डराना चाहती हो? You want them to run to their houses as fast as they can go. So क्या मीनिंग हुआ इस इन लाइन्स का? पोएटिस कह रही है कि लिटिल टाइगर कैट यू हैव ए स्पॉटेड फेस, तुम्हारा चेहरा जो है वो स्पॉटेड है, मीन्स जैसे टाइगर का भी उस तरह से होता है, स्पॉटेड फेस है. डू यू थिंक दिस यू आर हियर एंड डू यू थिंक यू आर हाइडिंग इन द ग्रास एंड डू यू थिंक इट इज़ लाइक ए जंगल प्लेस, कि जंगल में जैसे बड़ी बड़ी घास उगी रहती है उसमें तुम छुप रही हो, और यू आर सिटिंग क्वाइटली, मूविंग क्वाइटली एंड in the grass, and you are waiting to jump in front of the people, because that place is not a jungle place, it is a roadside, and she is hiding in the grass which is near the road, and people are coming and going on the road. So the poetess is saying ki, why are you acting like this, and you are hiding and you are ready to jump just to scare, just to frighten the people who go by the side of that place. Okay, children, we will have a look at the word meaning also. Here in this stanza, we have seen two words. Okay, I would like to tell you the meaning. It is already given in the book. Stealthily means quietly and secretly, चुपचाप से छुप के रहना या जाना, ठीक है. Folks means people, यानी लोग, ठीक है. These two words are here. I am telling you the meaning which is already given here. These were two, okay, and the rest of the words we will see in the next stanza. Then little tiger cat, we will see these lines, next lines. Little tiger cat, it is no use at all, no matter what you think yourself you are, rather tame and small, and with all your hiding and your stern contemplation, you cannot scare a single one of high or lowly station, and so there is no use trying to be like your wild relation. So in this stanza, the poetess says, little tiger cat, there is no use of doing all this. No matter you think you are looking and acting like a tiger, but in fact you are tame. Tame means not wild, जो जंगली नहीं है, यानी कि पालतू. The meaning of the tame is not wild, यानी कि जो जंगली नहीं, जो पालतू है, जिसको अपने घर में पाला जा सकता है, ठीक है. Stern means, here we can see the meaning, very serious, and contemplation, deep thought, and station, social position. These all are the three word and meanings of this part. Okay, so here the poetess is saying, you are not wild but you are tame, यानी तुम जंगली नहीं हो, जंगल के जानवर नहीं हो, तुम पालतू हो और छोटी हो. And with your serious thoughts and actions, you cannot frighten or scare any single person of any status. तुम भले कितना भी अपने को गंभीर बताओ, बड़ा बताओ, कोई एक्शन ऐसा करो जैसे कि बहुत सीरियस एक्शन हो रहा है, अचानक से जंप करना और डराने की कोशिश करना, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Nobody will get scared by your actions because you are not a tiger. Okay, so the poetess is trying to show and to the cat that you are a tame, तुम पालतू हो, you are not, although you belong to the cat family. I want to tell you that the tiger and the cats, they all belong to the same family. उसको कहा जाता है कि वो cat family because they have same type of features but they are different in size. And cat is can be tamed, वो हम लोगों के घरों में भी रह लेती है, आसपास रहती है घरों के. टाइगर cannot stay with us, that is ferocious, खूंखार होता है, जंगली होता है, उसको जंगल में रहना या ज़ू में रहना ही बेटर होता है. सो इन द एंड द पोएटेस सेज, देयर इज़ नो यूज़ टू एक्ट लाइक ए टाइगर बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अ टाइगर. और तुम्हें अपना उनके संग वाइल्ड रिलेशन दिखाने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है जो तुम दिखाने की कोशिश कर रही हो, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अ टाइगर, you are just a cat. Okay, so this is very simple. I hope you have understood the meaning as I have told you about the similarities between the cat and the tiger, and their actions also are similar. Their food habits are both like to eat the flesh meat. They are same in and they act also like this, but everybody knows that a cat is a cat and the tiger is a tiger. There is a lot of difference between them. So the poetess here is saying that little cat, don't try to act like a tiger because you are not able to scare or frighten any person. Here you can see that cat is hiding in the this big grass, and people are going in a usual way. They are not afraid of her, okay, afraid of it. So they are going, they are not least bothered about her. Okay, so this is the little poem, children. You will have to learn word meaning of these because this will be taken in the examination, and we will do the three question and answers, and one reference to context that is given on the next page. Okay, so I will give you all this in a PDF. You can study from that 3 question and answers and only one reference to context. Only one. We are not taking second one. Only one we will take. This one, and this first, second, and fourth question we are going to take, and that I will give you in a PDF. You can study. So I have given the answers also. You can study from that. Word meaning, question and answers, and reference to context of this passage. Okay. So thank you, children. I hope you have understood the poem. This is very simple poem. If you will read one or two times, you will also understand what the poetess wants to explain. Okay. It's a simple poem. Thank you so much.